Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to double space in Google Docs or how to change the line spacing in Google Docs in general. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Docs and here I have a document with a large amount of text. For this tutorial I want to set double line spacing for this paragraph. To do this I first select the area which I want to double space, go to Format, Line and Paragraph Spacing and click on Double. And we can see that this paragraph has now double line spacing. As you have seen under line and paragraph spacing, I can also find other options that are already predefined. And I can also define a completely individual line spacing by clicking on Custom Spacing. It is important to know that the line spacing is only applied to the current paragraph or the current selection and not the entire document by default. So if my marker is simply in this paragraph, the line spacing is only changed for this paragraph as well. If I want it for two paragraphs, I have to mark both of them. And if I want it for the entire document, I can do this by using the shortcut Ctrl-A. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!